morning students. So today we are going to discuss structure of human sperm. So this is called structure of human sperm. This is microscopic in nature. The sperm is called microscopic in nature. It is a very minute, which is seen only microscope, which you cannot see the naked eye. This is a human sperm. This herb is called a motile. What's a motile? It is a movement. It moves from one place to another place. The name is called a motile. The sperm is a motile organism. So the sperm is a motile. It is a flagellated. How the flagella is present? It's a locomotory organ used for flagella. That is called flagellate. The anterior regions. So this is called anterior region, this one posterior region. So this sperm consists of head, neck and tail. So mainly three parts. So anterior region is made up of head, the acrosome is present. This is called acrosome. This acrosome is used for fertilizing the ovum. It is used for the lysing the ovum. Fertilizing worm. They penetrate to the egg membrane, which is used the acrosome. So this acrosome is made up of hyaluronidase enzyme is present. This hyaluronidase enzyme is used for penetrate the egg membranes. So the inside is presence of nucleus is present. The anterior region is called oval in shape. The sperm are surrounded by plasma membrane. Here is connected with the neck regions. The neck regions, proximal centriole and distal centriole. The both centriole is present. So this distal centriole is connected with the mitochondria. This mitochondria and give the energy from the sperm. So what type of energy is give? The ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It give the energy. So nearly 9 plus 2 axial filament is present. So very important need question. Totally the 11 axial filament is present. So this is structure of sperm. So this is called for single coitus 200 to 300 millions of sperm will be produced. So only used for 60% is an active and it have the energy. Remaining 40% not energy. So only for 60% for good sperm conditions. Okay. So this is called a structure of human sperm. The human sperm is called a microscopic in nature, which is seen only the microscope. The name is called a microscopic in nature. It is a flattered. So it have the flagellate also present. It is a motile gametes. The whole body of sperm enveloped by the plasma membrane. The whole body of sperm is covered by membrane is called a plasma membrane. It is composed of head, neck and tail, or it consists of head, neck and tail. So the head comprises two parts, namely one is acrosome, another one is a nucleus. How many parts is present? Two parts only, very important. One is acrosome, another one is a nucleus. So acrosome is small cap-like structure. This is called acrosome, small cap-like structure and pointed from anterior end of the sperm. This is mainly developed from Golgi bodies. Where it is developed of the sperm? From the Golgi body, the spermatid is developed. So this is used for hyaluronidase enzyme. It is presence of our hyaluronidase enzyme. That the enzyme is called proteolytic enzyme. The name is called proteolytic enzyme, properly known as the sperm lysing. It is used for fertilization. The nucleus and flat and oval. This is called nucleus flat and oval, and play the role in first division of meiotic division. This is very important. First meiotic division from the zygotes. The division of zygote. And distal centriole gives rise to the axial filament and sperm. Distal centriole gives rise to axial filaments. The middle phase of possess mitochondria. The center is presence of mitochondria. Middle phase is presence of mitochondria. These mitochondria around the axial filament or mitochondrial spiral, or another word is called nabecrans. Very important more question, nabecran. Mitochondrial spiral, otherwise called nabecran. It is produce the energy in the form of ATP. So the mitochondria give only for what? Energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. The phosphate triphosphate give the energy from the sperm. The tie longest part of the sperm and slanted, this is called the longest part, that slanted and tapering and pointed. So this is totally it is found from the central axial filament. This is called a central axial filament. This is center part, central axial filament. And outer protolytic, the central axial filament otherwise called axoneme. Very important one more question, axoneme. And outer protoplasmic sheath is covered. This is called outer protoplasmic sheath is covered. The latching the movements of the tail and push the sperm towards the human male eject about 200 to 300 millions of sperm and single coitus, and it estimate around 60% sperm must have the normal shape and size and structure, everything is present. At least 40% must show the vigorous and motility for normal fertility. This is called structure of human sperm. Thank you, students.